In this video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Form. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Forms. Once you arrive on the Google Forms page, you will be greeted with the familiar interface where you have the option to either work on an existing form or start fresh with a new one. This flexibility allows you to customize your experience based on your current needs. If you already have a form that you like and wish to create a duplicate of it, simply locate that form among your documents. On the other hand, if you want to experiment with the form configuration, you may choose to create a new form. The key idea here is to ensure that you are ready with the form that you want to replicate. After you have selected or created the form, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the form editor. At this point, focus your attention on the options available for managing your form. In the upper corner of the interface, you will notice an icon represented by 3 dots arranged vertically. This icon is the gateway to additional settings and actions, so it is important that you click on it. By selecting the 3-dot icon, you will trigger a small menu that reveals various options related to the management of your form. Once the menu appears, you will see an option labeled Make a Copy. This is a very useful feature that allows you to duplicate your current form, preserving all the questions, settings and design elements exactly as they are. Click on the Make a Copy option to proceed with creating the duplicate. The duplication process is designed to be simple and efficient, ensuring that you have a second copy ready in a matter of moments. Following that action, a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a new name for your copied form. This step is crucial as it allows you to differentiate between the original form and the duplicate copy. Take a moment to think of a descriptive and clear name that will help you identify the purpose or content of this new form. When you have decided on a suitable name, type it into the provided field. This naming step not only helps with organization, but also ensures that you can easily find and reference the form later on. Once the new name has been entered, the final step is to click on the confirmation button that says Make a Copy. With this action, your form will be duplicated and saved with the new name you provided. The newly created copy will typically appear in your Google Drive or within the same project area, exactly mirroring the original. This process maintains all the original settings, questions and design elements, making it a reliable and efficient way to create a backup or a variant of an existing form. Throughout this tutorial, we have maintained a clear and straightforward approach to duplicating a Google form. Each step was designed to ensure that even first-time users can follow along without difficulty. By following these directions carefully, you can quickly learn how to efficiently duplicate any form, saving time and effort while maintaining consistency across multiple forms. Enjoy your newly duplicated form and the ease it brings to your workflow with Google Forms.